We'll learn how to use synchronous and asynchronous validators in Angular Reactive Forms. Check out this link for more information. Synchronous and asynchronous validators help us ensure user input is correct instantly or after checking with the server. Synchronous validators run immediately on the client side. Angular provides built-in validators like required, min length, email, and pattern. Workflow for synchronous validation can be seen in the following diagram. Sync validator rightward arrow immediate result. Please check out the component class with synchronous validators. Asynchronous validators are useful when validation requires a server call, for example, checking if an email is already taken. They return and observe a workflow for asynchronous validation is given in the below image. Async validator rightward arrow server/AP. Please look into the service code for asynchronous validation. In next page we will see the code snippet for async validator in component. The following template shows error message snippet. With Angular Reactive Forms, you can combine both synchronous and asynchronous validators to create powerful, user-friendly forms. Check out this link for more information. Thanks for watching the video.